Hi, I'm Damien Meredith, and I am the next American Idol. No, I am. Yeah. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine. No, just wait, that was off. Just give me one more chance, please. I've had a rough day. It's 50 Friday! Oh! Hey, so it's 50 Friday, and you know how yesterday I was all like sick and stuff? Well, today I'm still sick, but it's just a little bit worse. On one of my recent videos, I got a request to do 50 ways to draw a line, which I brainstormed lots of ideas for, and I don't want to do it yet. I will maybe do it next week. But today, I'm gonna do 50 ways to sneeze.
Achoo, 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 achoo.
Here we go. Achoo. Oh my god, I need tissue! Oh my god, I need tissue! Oh my god, someone give me a tissue! Somebody give me a tissue! Achoo. Achoo. A choo-choo train. 29 is drunk. Drunk. A chewy. Chew. Ah! I don't sneeze because it's like so mainstream now. 32. That's how my dad sneezes. Like every morning, you just wake up and you can just hear. A chew? A chew? Oh my god, when am I gonna sneeze? Oh my god, I just wanna. Oh my god. Oh. What the fuck? Achoo, malfunction, break, oh my god, achoo. Wait, what? Achoo, and achoo, oh, and achoo, and achoo, and achoo. Achoo! Hello, my name is Bing Bong Biffney Hiff, and achoo. Pikachu, I choose you! Just see what I did there? Did you see what I did there?
Achoo, 47.
Achoo! Whoosh! Achoo! I hope you liked this 50 Friday, and if you did, put the thumbs up, and if you don't, just put it up your bum. If you have a request, be sure to request it to me somehow, and I might do it in one of the videos. And be sure to share the videos, and push the subscribe button for a new video every Thursday and every Friday. Bye!